Toothless!
Night Fury Prince. They were here about an hour ago.
I'll never understand how you do that. What does an hour ago smell like, Gobber?
Not as strong as a half hour ago.
Look, the kids must have found something up there.
It was in the glacier. I knew it!
Oh, you knew it, did you? Then how come we spent a week digging in the sand?
That was your idea.
Hiccup got further in one afternoon than we got in a month.
Yeah, looks like the little Hiccup's got the best of us. And we think we're the big, strong Vikings.
What are you saying, Gobber?
Stoic, it's the painting.
Of course. He's trying to prove himself.
At the edge of the world, amidst the raging sea, in the serpent's mouth, lies another key.
Serpents? I hate serpents. Those are reptiles, right?
You do realize you're sitting on one?
Hey, that cloud looks like a snake.
Yeah, and in 5 minutes it'll look like a bunny.
Wait a minute. He might be onto something. In the mouth lies the key.
Look, right there.
Toothless, let's go.
Whoa. Are you crazy? You can't take a Night Fury with a wingspan of 48 feet and expect him to hover in winds like that. You'll be killed.
Well, what's the wingspan of Meatlug? Keep her steady.
Thor. Oh, Thor. Do we really need that treasure? Isn't our friendship treasure enough?
I can't reach it.
Okay, we tried, A for effort.
Hold on.
Okay. Come on. No.
Yes, got it. How's that for a hiccup? Look, they fit together. We must be on the right track.
Hiccup, what are you going to do with your part of the treasure?
I'm not really here for the treasure.
Great, I get his share.
You know, you don't have to do this, right?
Yeah, try telling that to my dad. This must be the spot.